Welcome to Digitizings.com, where creativity meets precision, your one-stop destination for all things digitizing. Digitizings.com offers the best online, custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Now let's see and learn about
how can I stop fabric puckering during embroidery? Embroidery is an art that brings life and personality to fabrics, whether for fashion, branding, or home decor. However, fabric puckering can ruin the design's aesthetics, creating frustration and additional costs. Understanding and addressing the root causes of puckering is essential for achieving smooth and professional results. This guide outlines practical tips and techniques to prevent fabric puckering during embroidery. Understanding fabric puckering. Fabric puckering occurs when the material gathers or wrinkles around the stitched area, distorting the embroidery design. This issue is often caused by improper tension, unsuitable materials, or inadequate hooping. Addressing these factors ensures a flat and flawless result. Choose the right fabric and stabilizer. The fabric type plays a critical role in embroidery quality. Lightweight or stretchy fabrics are more prone to puckering. Pairing. The fabric with an appropriate stabilizer is key. Cutaway stabilizers work best for stretchy fabrics like knits. Tearaway stabilizers suit stable woven fabrics. Water-soluble stabilizers are ideal for sheer or delicate fabrics. The stabilizer should provide sufficient support to the fabric during the embroidery process. Proper hooping techniques. Hooping ensures the fabric remains taut and stable. Follow these steps for better results. Use a hoop that fits the fabric snugly without overstretching. Make sure the fabric and stabilizer are both hooped together evenly. Avoid excessive tightening, as it may distort the fabric before stitching begins. Always test the hoop tension to ensure the fabric stays flat but not overly stretched. Adjust machine tension. Thread tension significantly affects the outcome of embroidery. Incorrect tension can pull the fabric unevenly, leading to puckering. To avoid this, adjust the top and bobbin thread tension according to the fabric and design. Test the settings on a fabric scrap before starting your project. Balance the tension to ensure smooth stitching without pulling. Optimize design and stitch density. High stitch density in a design can lead to fabric distortion. Choose designs appropriate for the fabric type and reduce density if needed. Additionally, use lighter fills or open patterns for delicate fabrics. Avoid layering multiple heavy stitches in one area. Digitizing the design correctly plays a critical role in minimizing stress on the fabric. Maintain and calibrate your machine. A poorly maintained embroidery machine can contribute to puckering. Regular maintenance ensures consistent performance. Clean the machine to remove lint or debris. Use the correct needle type and replace dull or bent needles. Ensure the machine is calibrated for proper alignment and stitching. Use high-quality thread. Low-quality thread can cause uneven tension and thread breaks, increasing the likelihood of puckering. Invest in high-quality embroidery threads that are smooth and consistent. Test before embroidering. Before starting on the actual fabric, always run a test on a similar material. This allows you to check for potential issues like puckering, tension imbalance, or unsuitable stabilizers. Adjust as necessary based on the test results. Conclusion. Preventing fabric puckering during embroidery requires attention to detail and a combination of proper tools, techniques, and machine settings. By choosing the right materials, optimizing the design, and ensuring correct machine calibration, you can achieve professional quality results every time. Mastering these practices not only enhances the beauty of your embroidery, but also saves time, effort, and resources.
If you are looking for high-quality embroidery digitizing, then Digitizings.com is your perfect partner for precision. Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.